In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change your profile name in Microsoft Teams. This is really helpful if you've recently changed your name, want your full name to appear correctly, or just noticed a typo that's been bothering you in meetings and chats. In Microsoft Teams, your display name is actually controlled by your Microsoft account settings, not directly inside the Teams app. That means to change how your name appears in Teams, you'll need to update it through your Microsoft account in a web browser. I'll walk you through each part of that process slowly so you can follow along. First, open your preferred web browser and go to the Microsoft account Your Info page. If you're not already signed in, you'll be prompted to log in with the same account you use for Microsoft Teams. Take a moment to make sure you're using the correct email and account, especially if you have more than one Microsoft account. Once you're signed in and on the Your Info page, look near the top where your current name and profile picture are displayed. Right under your name, you should see an option that says Edit Name. Go ahead and click on that. This is the place where Microsoft lets you control how your first and last name appear across its services, including Teams. A small form will open where you can enter your new name. You'll typically see separate fields for your first name and your last name. Carefully type in the name exactly as you want it to appear. For example, you might want to capitalize the first letter of each name and make sure there are no extra spaces or spelling mistakes. This is the name that will show up when you send a message, join a meeting, or appear in someone's contact list in Teams. Before you can save the change, Microsoft will usually ask you to complete a CAPTCHA verification. This is a quick security step to confirm that a real person is making the change. Follow the instructions on the screen, such as typing the characters you see in an image or checking a box. After you've entered your new name and completed the CAPTCHA, click the Save button. Your name change is now stored in your Microsoft account. It may take a little time for this update to show up in Microsoft Teams, so don't worry if you don't see it instantly. In many cases, closing and reopening Teams or signing out and back in can help refresh your profile information, and that's all you need to do to change your profile name in Microsoft Teams using your web browser.